Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by securing your data and removing roadblocks. First, back up to iCloud or to your computer so you can restore later. Do not skip this. Once backed up, sign out of Apple ID or disable Find My iPhone using your Apple ID password. This prevents activation lock. Make sure the phone is plugged in or above 50% and on Wi-Fi. Now go to Settings to begin the erase process. These steps ensure the reset proceeds smoothly and won't leave you locked out. You'll now perform the actual erase. In Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, followed by Erase all content and settings. When prompted, enter your device passcode and your Apple ID password to turn off activation lock. This authorizes the wipe. Confirm the action and let the phone run. Do not interrupt power or Wi-Fi. The screen displays progress. Once it finishes, the device will restart to the factory setup assistant. This removes personal data and returns the iPhone to default condition. Once the iPhone restarts, complete the setup assistant or choose Restore from iCloud/backup to return your data. If you erased remotely or the device stayed linked to your account, sign into iCloud. Go to Find My and remove the device from your account to clear activation lock. If the phone asks for an unknown Apple ID, make sure you entered the correct credentials. If you still can't remove activation lock, contact Apple support with proof of purchase. This one troubleshooting tip resolves most lock issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.